Jealous. Jealous. People who are jealous feel upset because they want something that someone else has. The girl was jealous of her friend's new doll. Now you say jealous. Jealous. Roam. Roam. When you roam, you wander around without a plan. The buffalo roam all day long. Now you say roam. Roam. Misty. Misty. If the weather is misty, there are drops of water in the air. It was very misty near the waterfall. Now you say misty. Misty. Create. Create. Create means to make something. The baker likes to create fancy cakes. Now you say create. Create. Dainty. Dainty. When something is dainty, it is small and delicate. Please be careful with the dainty tea set. Now you say dainty. Dainty. Complete. Complete. When something is complete, nothing is missing. My puzzle is almost complete. Now you say complete. Complete. Edge. Edge. An edge is the place where an area ends. The bird flew to the edge of the cliff. Now you say edge. Edge. Attach. Attach. When you attach objects, you join them together. Mom helped me attach my note to the gift. Now you say attach. Attach. Silent. Silent. When you are silent, you do not make a sound. We must be silent when the show begins. Now you say silent. Silent. Damage. Damage. When you damage something, you harm or injure it. Hitting a pothole can damage my bike. Now you say damage. Damage.